Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp status could not send. If you are facing this problem, in this video I will show you how to fix it. So if you are trying to upload any picture or video on your WhatsApp status and it will always erroring you like WhatsApp status could not send. So to fix this you have to first of all make sure if you are connected with the Wi-Fi, that Wi-Fi is very strong. So if it's not so strong and your internet connection is very weak, you can simply turn off your Wi-Fi and use any mobile data to upload that picture. And if you are on mobile data, maybe your data package is end or your mobile data is not so strong, so turn off the Wi-Fi. And all you have to do is you have to find the fast internet to fix this problem. So this is not a big problem. You only have to make sure your internet connection is working properly. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.